Love Island USA is back, and Season 8 is bringing a brand new group of singles to the stunning villas of Fiji. Hosted once again by entity, known celebrity, Ariana Madix, in June 2nd, 2026, with a fresh cast ready to find romance, drama, and maybe even true love. Site Turn News Turn Search 7. This year of life. Fans will meet former volleyball player Ania Harvey, Paralympic bronze medalist Beatrice Hatz, DJ Bryce Detloff, model Gabriel Vasconcelos, nursing assistant Casey Chandler, nursing graduate Kenzie Annis, bikini store manager Melanie Moreno, police officer and father Sean Rifle, track athlete Sincere Rhea, model Trinity Tatum, and Zach Georgiou, whose brother previously appeared on the show. Site Turn News Third Turn Search. 8 cast Islanders, but reports indicate that contestant Vasana Montgomery was removed before the season premiere, following controversy surrounding resurfaced videos. Site Turn News 12, Turn News 14. Set against Fiji, viewers can expect shocking twists, steamy romances, explosive recouplings, and plenty of bombshell arrivals throughout the season. Fans will once again have the power to influence the game through voting as the Islanders compete for love and a cash prize. Site Turn Search 7, Turn Search 1. Which is eSpotlight this season? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Love Island updates.